In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can earn $5 free Bitcoin per click. Let's not forget to mention that you should definitely pay attention to the steps in this video, because it is very important that you do everything in order to maximize your results. The website I'm about to show you will help you generate Bitcoin. And it is very easy and simple, but it will not work if you do not execute this method in the right way. Hello guys, welcome to another video. Thank you for showing your support to my channel. If you're not subscribed already, go ahead and click that red subscribe button and make that thumbs up button blue. Thank you. With that being said, let's jump right into this lesson. So the step number 1 is to go to btcclicks.com. So BTC Clicks is the website that is based on advertising. So you can scroll down and see for yourself, the advertiser's requirements are to target real Bitcoin users. Your audience will view your ad for the whole duration time, and spent on another tab window does not count. Choose a duration between 10 to 100 seconds. CPC start from 0.00009. No sign-up required, so you can check that out. But right next to advertisers, you have earnings. And you can see here that you can earn up to 0.00009 MBTC per click. This M stands for mini-volt, so you can earn a percentage per affiliate, that is a referral click. So if you refer someone to the link that is on this website, you will earn 80% commission, as someone clicks on the link that you put out. And this is a premium membership card. But we're not going to focus on that. Our main goal will be getting paid per click for free. So you don't need to worry, we're not going to go premium on this website. Once you have fully understood what this website is offering, we are going to see if this is actually true. So we're going to go to coindesk.com/calculator. And this website is going to calculate how much money we're actually going to earn per click. So if we copy this number from btcclicks.com, and we go over here to the Bitcoin calculator, and we paste it right here, we are going to see that we're going to earn $5.20 with every click that we make. So next, we are going to set up step number 2. So step number, to click on login or sign up. And when the page loads, we're going to put in our email address, confirm our email address. And we're going to create a password, retype that same password, fill out the CAPTCHA, and we're going to click sign up. Remember, BTC Clicks is going to send you a confirmation email. So it's very important that you put in a valid email address. So you can confirm that it is actually your email address. And in that way, they will grant you access to their website. When you have done that, another window will pop up, and you'll just have to re-enter that same email and your password. And if you want to stay signed in, you can check this little box, and you can click the login after that. So when you are logged in, this dashboard will appear. And as you can see, you have your Bitcoin balance that you can keep track of, where it says dashboard. Right next to dashboard, you have your withdrawal, you have your referrals. But as we talked about, we are going to skip the premium membership. You have your history, you have your referral affiliate tools, and you have your account details. So this dashboard seems very easy to understand. So I want you guys to go to serve ads. And when the page loads, you are going to see links on it, which you can click on them. They are going to show you ads, which you can watch for 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 100 seconds, 80 seconds, and you will earn Bitcoin for every ad you watch. For example, I'm going to click right here, and it's going to redirect me to a page where I can just be for 10 or 20 seconds, and that is going to generate money to my balance. So it is pretty simple guys, and if you do not like Bitcoin, it can pay you in other cryptocurrencies as well, for example, Litecoin. Now, I want you guys to go back to your dashboard. And now focus on account stats and info. Right down here, you will have your affiliate link that you can copy, and I'm going to talk about what you can do with that link in just a moment. I want you guys to remember what we talked about in the beginning of this video. Stay patient and watch this video till the end, so you will be fully equipped for everything that you need to know about the strategy. So pay attention, and if you don't understand something, pause the video, go back, or comment down below. So I'm going to go right over here, where it says help, and we are going to see how much we are going to earn with this earnings calculator. These guys created this, so you can set a goal for yourself, and maintain your earnings per day, or your earnings per month, and try to reach that, As you can see here, if you have 50 referrals, that will be 10 clicks a day, which is this much Bitcoin, and your monthly earnings will be that much. So this calculator is very cool, and very handy to set a bar for yourself that you have to reach in order to satisfy your needs. Okay, so for step number 3, copy your affiliate link and head over to youtube.com. And when you are there, type in Bitcoin. A lot of results are going to pop up, but we want those videos that we can repost, and YouTube won't make a problem out of it. Of course, your channel cannot be monetized with those types of videos, but you can definitely get some eyeballs on your affiliate link. So what I want you to do is go over to Filter and click Creative Commons. These videos are all copyright free, so you can use these videos and repost them on your YouTube channel and profit out of that. It is very simple and very easy. First, you have to go to google.com and type in YouTube to MP4. When you've done that, choose a video with the most views, copy its link, and download it into your device. When it's downloaded, just go over to YouTube Studios, click Upload Videos, and then you can put it in your file that you previously downloaded. And in your description, put in your affiliate link, and you can type in something catchy, or something that will shortly explain where the link is going to take you. For example, earn free Bitcoin just for clicking right here. And you can put in a little arrow that is pointing to that link. This strategy is very easy, and I hope you guys followed my steps, and if you did, I know that you will achieve your financial goals in no time. And that's it today. Thank you guys for watching. Like this video if you enjoyed it. And I will see you in some of my next videos.